How to create a tuple. So first we see what is a tuple. A tuple is one of the 4 built-in data types in Python, which we use to store data in the form of collections. Um, a tuple is ordered and it is unchangeable. When I say that the tuples are ordered, it means that the items have a specific order and that order does not change whatsoever. And unchangeable means that you cannot add or remove items after the tuple has been created. Now, to see what is the difference between a list and a tuple. To begin with, both are collections in Python. Both are used to store data. But the main difference that sets both of them apart is that lists are mutable and tuples are immutable. That means in lists, the items can be changed, the value of the items can be changed, and the and new items could be added, or some items could be removed from the list. Whereas from the tuple, none of these operations are. Whereas in tuple, none of these operations are allowed. Why do we use tuples? So we use tuples for grouping data. So we group data which have the same value together, and the best thing is that we cannot change this data, so it is permanent, and we can iterate through these elements also easily because the size of the tuple does not change and it is fixed size, and it is ordered. Hence, using tuples has a slight advantage over lists, but both have their own use cases. Now let's see how to create a tuple. So to create a tuple, we just let's use a variable tup, and we will we make a tuple by using round brackets, and then we will write 1, 2, and 3. Next we print this tuple and the type of this tuple. So after running this, you'll see 1, 2, 3, and the type is tuple. We can change a list to a tuple by writing first by doing the following. So first, if I have a list, ls is equal to 1, 2, 3, I can change it to a tuple tup by writing tuple and in brackets ls. Now we can print this tuple. Before that, let's print the original list and see the difference. So now when we run this, we can see that the original list was written as 1, 2, 3 in square brackets, and the new tuple is written in 1, 2, 3 but with rounded brackets. So that's how you create a tuple in Python.